Millions of dollars start with dirty clothes. What seems like a simple chore hides huge potential. This is how laundry turns into $1 million business. Most people think laundry is boring and small. This old laundromat looks ordinary. Few realize what it can generate in profits. A simple quarter represents the start of wealth. Even tiny things can create massive money. The secret is in scale and efficiency. Folding towels looks simple, but it's just the start. On the other side, cash multiplies rapidly. Laundry turns effort into income. This is the end goal, a modern, automated facility. Ordinary chores become extraordinary business. A simple laundry can generate millions annually. Everything starts with the customers. Shirts, jeans, towels, they fuel the business. Each bag is potential profit. Clothes are carefully sorted for washing. Color and fabric matter to ensure quality. Proper preparation is key to efficiency. Sorted clothes are placed into massive washers. Every piece has its own cycle. This is where transformation begins. Industrial machines wash hundreds of clothes at once. Automation ensures speed and consistency. Cleanliness is achieved quickly and efficiently. Clothes come out clean and ready for drying. Workers handle each piece carefully. Every shirt and jeans is prepared for the next step. Clothes are dried quickly in massive dryers. Warm air and spinning machines remove moisture efficiently. This step prepares them for ironing and folding. Shirts are pressed perfectly using industrial irons. Steam and precision remove every wrinkle. Perfection ensures premium quality for customers. Workers fold each shirt carefully. Neat folding adds professionalism and care. Attention to detail matters in premium service. Jeans are folded and stacked systematically. Consistency ensures every customer gets perfection. Efficiency keeps the workflow smooth. Folded clothes are packed in branded bags. Packaging adds identity and professionalism. Everything is ready for pickup or delivery. Delivery vans are loaded efficiently. Packages are prepared for customers and businesses. Logistics ensure timely service. Drivers transport laundry across the city. Every route is optimized for speed. Customers receive fresh clothes on time. Clean laundry is delivered directly to customers. Professional service builds trust and loyalty. Every satisfied client adds value. The custom app allows scheduling pickups easily. Technology expands the business reach. Convenience drives customer satisfaction. Hundreds of laundry orders move smoothly on conveyors. Automation keeps the workflow efficient. High-volume handling drives profits. Hotels generate massive laundry demand every day. Thousands of sheets and towels must be cleaned daily. Commercial contracts create stable income. Restaurants also rely on professional laundry services. Chef uniforms and aprons must stay perfectly clean. Regular clients keep the machines running non-stop. Short-term rental hosts depend on fast laundry service. Bedsheets must be cleaned between every guest. Speed and reliability create loyal customers. Hospitals require strict hygiene standards. Medical uniforms must be sanitized carefully. Specialized services increase business value. At full scale, laundry becomes an industrial operation. Machines and workers operate in perfect coordination. Efficiency turns simple work into big revenue. These machines operate almost all day. Thousands of garments are processed daily. Volume is the key to profitability. Every order adds to daily income. Small payments accumulate quickly. Consistency builds powerful revenue streams. Successful laundries expand their service areas. More vans mean more customers. Growth multiplies profits year after year. What started as a simple service becomes a powerful industry. Thousands of orders move through the system daily. Some laundries generate millions each year. Success often hides in ordinary businesses. Laundry may look simple, but the potential is huge. With dedication, even washing clothes can build $1 million empire.